Chief Amaworo Nonso asked me, what is the spiritual link to growing your hair? I know there is more to it. And I said, I don't know definitely, right? I don't know a lot of things. But one, we are basically trees. Right? Sometimes you can plant your leg in the sand, plant your feet in the sand, right? Yeah, and just stay there for and maybe do breathing exercise. So basically we are trees. But you see more, for example, yeah, all these spiritual trees like Abu, Wakalete, Oji, that's Iroko, and such. When actually Bufisi, if you want to cut the leaves, you perform sacrifices, right? If you want to cut the leaves, the branches, Bubinatia, here, Chua, Chief. Yeah, make some sacrifices with me. You won't just go and cut it. Secondly, I think I look better with it. Don't you agree? And with more personality with my hair. Plus, it's basically my hair, my natural hair uniting, you know what I'm saying, growing higher, naturally. Also, if the Bible, which is a book of stolen stories, right? Chikotasia, different people's stories, adapt for their own purposes, truths and falsehoods. If the Bible saw it fit to put Samson's story there, attributed to his hair, then that stuff must have had some origin. Yeah, the story must have had an origin. I have not figured it out, definitely. Have you listened to Nwoto? Nwoto is a song for Igommo, your lady. Gommo, raise her energy. Iron sharpens iron. Nyaipia your piagi. Ina Gommo, your partner, your opposite half. Yeah, it can only be good. So use Nwoto, play it and rap the song for her. Yota. Siana, so sonya match your steez. Nediroma, or no sonya match your steez. Yota, oh, is very serious, you could be a fan. You see, I did a match my steez. I did a match my stop. I see your wet on the kenda who are the